Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to watch this video. I'm very sure that if you're watching this, you're probably a Mac Big Sur user and you must be wondering whether the Finder in your Mac can actually back up WhatsApp chat history, just like you can do this using iTunes. Now, I know by now you have probably tried searching high and low for ways to download iTunes into your Mac, but if your operating system is Big Sur, I can guarantee you there is no way you can download iTunes into your Mac. I know you're probably thinking of the retroactive downloader. Now, that is like the talk of the town, I know. But unfortunately, it doesn't work on Big Sur. Trust me, I've tried it myself. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because just yesterday, I was trying to get rid of my old iPhone 5. Okay? And unfortunately, I couldn't back it up on iCloud because it requires me to make quite a lot of space. In other words, I need to delete most of the stuff in my iPhone 5 before I can back it up on iCloud. Now that is as good as not back it up at all. So the only way I can back up my iPhone 5 was to use iTunes. Sadly, when I got my new Mac Mini, it came with Catalina and I updated it to Big Sur without realizing that iTunes is no longer available for Big Sur, as it has been replaced by Apple TV, Apple Podcasts, Apple Music, and Apple Books. Now, without iTunes, my one and only way was to use Finder in my Mac. So I connected my iPhone 5 to my Mac. Okay, let me just show you. I'm going to share screen and connect my iPhone 5. The iPhone. There you go. iPhone. I click iPhone, and yep, there you see. So I click on iPhone here on the left side bar in in Finder, and I selected backup. Okay, backup to my Mac. This one here. Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac instead of iCloud, right? And I click the button, the backup button, backup now, right? I click that and then backup started. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to complete the backup. All right, once I've done that, once backup is completed, then I'm just gonna stop share. Yep. Okay, then I unplug my iPhone 5. Okay, I remove the SIM card from it and put the SIM card into my iPhone 7. Then I connected my iPhone 7 to my Mac. The same thing. I click on iPhone on the left sidebar in Finder. And then I click the restore button. Okay, now this time it took longer, about 20 minutes. Once restore was completed, I just followed the setup on my phone screen until the phone restarted. Then waited for WhatsApp to finish updating. I opened my WhatsApp, followed the instruction, and key in the 6-digit code sent in via SMS. Lo and behold, every message in the WhatsApp is exactly as what they were in my old iPhone 5. Exactly. Alright? Even the apps and all that, the wallpaper is the same. So you can be rest assured, Finder can do the job as good as iTunes, if not better. Finder can back up all your WhatsApp content from one iPhone and restore it in another iPhone. Alright, that's all from me. May you have the peace of mind now. Just go ahead, use Finder in your Mac if you're a Big Sur user. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.